Hey everybody, welcome back at Dinner with Dave. For today we're gonna make a quick and easy mango salad. First of all, we're gonna start with 3 tablespoons of mint. We're gonna finely chop it and put it in a small bowl. Well, this is gonna be the dressing, so you want to cut it really fine. I got 1 old lime from the freezer, use the peel, and we're gonna add the lime to the mint. Second part, then 2 tablespoons of really good olive oil. This is really making a big difference. And when that's in, we're gonna get some honey. 2 tablespoons of honey. Mix it all up and put it aside. Then we're gonna grab a mango and cut around the core. You can feel it with your knife. We're gonna peel it and make strokes. Small strokes, you want that mouth feeling. From strokes, we're gonna make small blocks and place them into a big bowl. Then paprika, also same thing. Small strokes, blocks. Then half a cucumber. Cut it under an angle. Look at all these colors. Nice. Now spring onions. Clean them up. Also cut them in an angle. Add that to the salad. Keep a little bit apart to dress up your salad. Yes, there we go. Mix it all together. Grab yourself a plate, mix it up for the final last time, get it on the plate and have a nice meal. This was Dave from Dinner with Dave. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow me on Facebook, follow me on Instagram, and we're gonna see each other next week. Bye bye.